This is an assembly tutorial for the detachable arm machine. Step 1. First, use the A1 pin to fix the boom. Step 2. Feed the hydraulic hoses through the boom dot. When you receive the machine, each hose is labeled. Match them according to the number. Number 9 is for the front light. Pull it out at the indicated position and connect it to the light. On the same side, pull out 5B and 8B dot. On the other side, pull out 5A and 8A dot. At the front end, pull out 6A and 6B dot. And finally, 7A and 7B dot. Now the hose routing is done. Step 3. Install the boom cylinder dot. Fix one end of the cylinder with the A2 pin. Connect hose 7B to the 7B port. Hose 7A to the 7A port. And secure them with clips. Then fix the other end with the A3 pin. Step 4. Install the stick cylinder dot. Use the A3 pin to fix one end of the cylinder dot. Connect 6B to the 6B port and 6A to the 6A port, then secure with clips dot. Use the A4 pin to connect the boom and stick dot. Use the A5 pin to connect the cylinder to the stick. Step 5. Install the bucket cylinder dot. Fix one end of the bucket cylinder with the A5 pin dot. Use the bracket to secure the hoses. 5A on top, 8A at the bottom dot. Connect the 5A hose from the toolkit to the machine's 5A port and the cylinder's 5A port dot. Do the same on the other side. 5B on top, 8B at the bottom, then connect 5B. Step 6. Connect the stick and the rocker dot. A 6 goes on the stick, and a 7 goes on the cylinder. Step 7. Connect the bucket dot. Use the A8 pin to connect the bucket to the rocker. Step 8. Install the handrail using screws dot. Step 9. Install the travel control levers. Step 10. Install the control handles dot. After tightening the handles, connect the power plug and secure the rubber cover with screws. Final step, install the seat dot. Feed the power cable through the reserved hole into the engine compartment dot. Open the compartment with the key, tighten the bolts, then connect the power cable. And that completes the assembly of the detachable arm machine.